and as soon as it's removed from the deep freeze, dry ice will instantly begin to sublimate, making that signature cloud of gas. That is what 3I Atlas was doing way out there in space. And that's why its coma formed so early, because CO2 ice melts at a much lower temperature than water ice. And we've continued to observe 3I Atlas on its approach to the sun. We've seen that ratio of CO2 and water begin to flip. By late in September, as it was passing through the orbit of Mars at just over 1.5 AU, the object had actually begun to release a massive amount of water vapor, about the equivalent of a fire hose running at full blast, which is actually more water than we would expect even from a normal comet at this distance. We've never seen so much water vapor appear so suddenly. The same thing can be said for metal in the coma of 3I Atlas. When it was observed over the summer, astronomers detected a small amount of nickel in the surrounding cloud, but they did not detect any iron. So a couple of things to note here. One is that nickel and iron are pretty common in the universe because they are formed inside the core of a dying star. Then that star goes supernova and blasts these metals out into the surrounding area of space, where it gets pulled in by new stars that are beginning to form their own planetary disk, and then the process repeats. So because nickel and iron come from the same place, they're typically found together in planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. So when we see a lot of nickel but no iron, we wonder where the iron went, what process separated them. And thing number two